Alright y'all, Jason checking in from KiloWattRC. I'm gonna run this bad boy again. I put on some fresh Gone Bananas racing skins. Didn't really do anything different, clean the car up a little bit. Again, lipos are unprepped, running 14S. That's what I mean by unprepped. You see 74 degrees, 74 degrees, 75 degrees, 74 degrees. Lipos are unprepped. So we haven't really opened this baby up yet, but we're just gonna dial her in, see what we can do. Last outing we did, just shakedown, was 158 and then a 155 following that. So let's see what we can do. See y'all in a minute. Let me get this thing all ready. See y'all on the road down there. You know what I mean? Nice and clean right now for now. It's real dusty down there. So see y'all in a minute. We're gonna hit track, start. Stop, read, 1 mile an hour, track, speed is registering, start. So hopefully we have a good run today. I don't know what to expect. Still trying to figure out this car. She's definitely a beast. So let's see how she does. Let's go. Yeah, hopefully this thing is, I don't know, man. It's just so tiny and little, and got all this power in it, so she's not real easy to drive. But I'm gonna get her figured out somehow. And I don't know the condition of this road. Last time we were here, it was real dusty. It still might be dusty. I can't really tell until we start going in on the throttle. Then I can tell how dusty she is. All right, let's go. GPS. Oh man. Woo. She got beat up a little bit. Let's see what speed that was. Stop, read. 164. That would have been a new PB. That's crazy. Let's see what she looks like. Like some connectors came out. Oh yeah, she looks pretty good. Connectors came out. See the wheels. Doesn't look too bad. Yeah, we got 164. We wrecked. Let's see if we can find anything. Cause we lost the connector. Let's see if she starts back up. $164. Everything looks good. ESC looks good. 164. Didn't make it back, but it's all good. So yeah, we'll take that. Little crash, it happens. These wheels are still good. We're gonna run this back. Not today, because I lost my series connector. You see the MGM ESC is holding up good. Batteries look good. Everything looks good. So we're not done. Yeah, we're not done. We'll be back at it. We'll take that 164. There we go, 164. We'll take that 164. All right, guys, thanks for watching. It happens, man. You know, you crash. All right? So y'all take it easy. Y'all peace out. 164. Peace out, y'all.